How's it going, guys? Doing a little unboxing from LRB Aquatics. A little bag of earthenware, recycle film. Okay. Nice. Nice. I'll take a picture of that later so you can look at it. Oh my god, that's bigger than the heat packs I get with most plants. With most fish. That's fine. Ain't bigger than my hand. Nice and warm. I wasn't expecting the bag. Let me go ahead and get that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've defeated the bag here. Let's see what we get in here. I'll get some views. I think it's pearl weed. Some kind of moss. Maybe I can figure out the abbreviations later. I'll go to giant. That's the wisteria. There's some kind of moss. There's more of the abuse. But anyway, just a couple little plants in here. Got an LRB Aquatic sticker. We'll find a place for that. Okay, guys, that's my little unboxing. Enjoy. How's it going, guys? Do a quick unboxing here. I done cut the lid and removed everything on it right. Here's what we're unboxing. Can you see anything? Me neither. But believe it or not, there's a couple little guys in there. Guy and gal. Hopefully we'll see what they are. But let me go ahead and cut them out of the first bag and see if we can get a better look at them. How's it going, guys? I don't know if you can see that little guy in there. You kind of see a shadow of him there. No, it's not an Indian dwarf pea puffers. These are Pahaka puffers. I got two of them. I'm going to go ahead and get them in the bag. They seem nice and warm. It'll be nice and easy to do. I'll show you when I get them in the tank. Well, there's one of them on top of the filter, hanging out there. The other one's right there. Well, them are my new Pahaka puffers and my son's new Pahaka puffers. We're going to fight over it later. Monsters here. I don't think they eat the snails that are in here, but we'll make sure they get eaten on them. Well, for now, guys, that's all there was. Have a good day. Later, buds. Well, how's it going, guys? This here ain't an unboxing, but it's some new fish I picked up from the pet store. Just some emeralds, corridors. 3 of them. Hopefully a male and a female and 2 males. We'll see. If we're getting eggs from, but who cares? Don't really matter. I wanted them. They was reasonable. They get pretty good size. But well, let me get them in the bags. Catch you guys later.